Hello, welcome to the Marginal Show, the cybersecurity show. Let's talk about the top tier cybersecurity roadmap. So without further ado, let's get into it. We're going dark. In regards to advanced technical skills, master zero trust architecture implementation, develop expertise in AI-powered threat detection and automated response systems, implement advanced endpoint detection and response, EDR for short, with automated moving target defense, AMTD, gain proficiency in cloud security, focusing on multi-cloud environments, develop skills in DevOps, cloud engineering and data engineering, strategic planning and risk management, create comprehensive risk scoring systems to prioritize and address potential threats, implement insider threat detection systems to monitor and mitigate internal risks, develop and maintain incident response plans for various scenarios, right? Ensure compliance with industry standards like the ISO 27001, the NIST, the GDPR, and regulatory requirements. Now, in regards to advanced security measures, hit that subscribe button and the like button, right? That's advanced security measures. Hit that subscribe button and the like button. So implement biometric authentication as part of multi-factor authentication, MFA systems, deploy managed detection and response, MDR for short, solutions for comprehensive threat monitoring, utilize AI capabilities to enhance real-time threat detection and automated response, implement robust data encryption measures to protect sensitive information, continuous learning and certifications, right? So let's get into that sphere for a little bit. Pursue advanced certifications such as CISSP, CISM, CISA, and the CCSP. Stay updated, right? Updated with the latest threats, vulnerabilities, and security technologies through continuous learning. Participate in advanced capture the flag challenges and hacking competitions. Attend and present at high-level cybersecurity conferences and forums. Leadership and communication is key too, right? You're going to want to develop skills to effectively communicate complex security concepts to non-technical stakeholders. Everybody's not going to know the techie like you, right? Lead and mentor cybersecurity teams, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Collaborate with C-level executives to align cybersecurity strategies with business objectives. So by following this roadmap and continuously adapting to new advancements and threats, cybersecurity professionals can position themselves at the forefront of the industry, ready to tackle the most complex security challenges in 2025 and beyond, right? Not only 2025 and beyond. Now, we talked about zero trust in the beginning, but what are the key components of zero trust architecture, right? Because that's one of the biggies. The key components are as follows, right? You have the policy engine, PE. This core component evaluates and generates access decisions based on behavioral analytics, threat intelligence, security policies, and identity baselines. It is responsible for the ultimate decision to grant, deny, or revoke access. There's also policy administrator, PA, which works in conjunction with PE to enforce access decisions by sending commands to the policy enforcement point. You have the policy enforcement point, the PEP, which enables, terminates, and monitors connections between users and organizational resources based on the PA's commands. There is identity and access management, which verifies user identities and implements strong authentication methods, such as multi-factor authentication. You have micro segmentation, which creates software-defined network boundaries around IT assets, allowing for granular access control and policy enforcement. There's zero trust network access, right? The ZTNA, which provides secure remote access to specific applications and systems rather than the entire corporate network. There's continuous monitoring and risk assessment, right? Which basically implements real-time monitoring and dynamic risk scoring to access the security posture of users, devices, and workloads. And then lastly, we have data protection, right? Which focuses on securing and classifying data assets, implementing encryption, and controlling access to sensitive information. So hit that subscribe button and the like button. That's what I have for you today. Again, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, if you were entertained. See you on the next video.